Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support here. In today's video demonstration, I'm going to show you the access management feature of the Reporter plugin via RedmineUP. Okay, so the access management means that as administrator, you could grant or could not grant some permissions for normal Redmine users. In other words, just non-administrator users. Okay, so maybe it is a bit difficult for understanding. So that's why I'm going to create this video demonstration so it will be easier for you to understand this. Okay, so currently I'm logged in into this Redmine as admin. So this is administrator. And now I'm going to create a brand new user via going to administration menu, then users, and then create a new user. Okay, so I'm going to name it Morpheus from the iconic movie Matrix from the 1999. His name is, yeah, let's say Morpheus, and last name, I don't know, from the Matrix. Okay, so his email could be morpheus@matrix.com. So he will have a password. And here it is very crucial and very important that Morpheus is not an administrator. Okay, he's not an administrator. Okay, so we create this guy from the matrix and add him some projects and a specific role. So we're going to select the Agile project with the role reporter. Okay, so this is it. Project Agile with role reporter. So every other guy that will have this role will have the same things as Morpheus will do or will not be able to do. Okay, so I go to another Redmine now and sign in with Morpheus to see what is happening there. Okay, so I enter the login name of Morpheus from the matrix. So here it is. We see that we are currently logged in as Morpheus from the matrix. So we go to our projects and then the Agile project. So currently we see that it is not possible to generate a report from the issues. So when I click here on the right menu, then here should be a report option if there is some permission, if there is some possibility, but currently it is not possible um, to do it with Morpheus. Okay, so we have to change this behavior by going back to Redmine where we're administrators. So as admin, we go to administration again, then roles and permissions, and then reporter role. And when we scroll down, we see uh, in the issue tracking section and block, we have here three options. So these three options are the access management and available permissions for Reporter plugin and for Morpheus in our specific case. So the first option that we could grant him is to generate reports. Okay, so we save our changes and then return back to Morpheus. So we refresh our page here and see that when we click right on some issue, we got the reports option. So currently, Morpheus has a new option to generate reports. Okay, so when we click here, uh, we select the report that we need, and there is one problem. We see that there is no preview button here. So okay, we could generate the report, but this is not possible for Morpheus to view the report. So there is no preview button here. Okay, so we return back and click reporter role again, scroll down into the same way as we have done before, and we see that we got the view reports option now enabled. So we save these changes, and okay, so we return back again to Morpheus, refresh our page, and when we try to generate a report, we see that now we have the preview button here, so Morpheus is able to preview this report. So let's try and see. We click on preview, and yeah, it is successfully previewed, and afterward you have an option to uh, just download as PDF, print, and get a public link. So you have full access now to this report because you got the view report option for Morpheus. Okay, and the last one, uh, the last permission that we got is the manage report templates. So as you know, the reporter plugin works with reporter templates. So they are different templates. You could generate them with a source code. There are examples on our site. So maybe you have already checked this. So this option is to give Morpheus the possibility to create or edit existing templates, the source code of them, and everything else. Uh, so this is important thing before enabling this option is that uh, the first thing that you have to do is to grant Morpheus a option to just edit the projects. So he needs to have the settings of the projects here because the report templates are located into the settings of the project. So if you grant him a permission to manage the report templates, but you miss to make him available to edit the project, then it will not work. So I'm going to show you to just to see what I mean. Okay, so we scroll up to the project section and project block, and here we have edit project. So please make sure to enable this option and save the changes. Okay, so when we return back to Morpheus again and refresh the page, we see the settings here of the project. Okay, so here it is. We have two tabs now, and if we grant him the template option, then it will become available here. So the thing that I was talking about before is that if you grant him the template option here, okay, it will be here. But if you miss to enable the project settings, then this tab will not appear at all. So you will not have an access to the templates. So yeah, this was I was talking about. Okay, so if we return back now to reporter role and scroll down again to the issue tracking, we see that here it is, manage report templates. So we enable this and save our changes. Okay, so we return back now again and refresh our page with Morpheus, and we see that the report templates tab has just appeared as available tab for us and for Morpheus in the specific case. So we see the templates here, they are listed. So you're able to edit existing ones, preview, delete existing ones, also import templates, as well as create new report templates. Okay, so there is a lot of work here that could be done. So we know the template itself is a source code. Yeah, so we could do some changes here and yeah, create a new source code, new templates, edit templates, and so on. Okay, so currently Morpheus has full rights over the reporter plugin. So he has all the three options available, and in other words, he could do everything with the reporter plugin. Okay, so Morpheus is the best. All right. Okay, so yeah, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was good for you, and I hope you understand the things that I have said. If you have some questions or problems, or if you just like to say hi to our team, then you could drop some email to us on support@redmineup.com, and yeah, our support engineers will help you anytime. So thanks again for the patience of watching this video, and yeah, if you wish, you could subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share, and yeah, you're free to do everything. Okay, so bye bye for now, and see you in the next video.